got the wheels loaded in the back. Wheels, 3 wheels, 3 new tires, and we're gonna drop them off to my boy Carlos up here at 360 Wheel and Tire. Get them the mounting balance so we can throw these wheels on the Cadillac and start putting them together. So see y'all when we get there. What's up, YouTube? My partner wanted me to re-clear his lights. He said they was looking a little dingy, so sand them down and re-cleared them. So looks good. So final piece to the puzzle, so he'll be ready to leave tomorrow. He ended up doing some audio today, did some touch up, re-dyed a lot of black pieces, did some audio. He added some speakers to the door, so got that installed and tuned. Sounds good. Can't show you guys due to copyright. We re-dyed the plastic pieces that had went dingy. They was gray. Redid them black. We're gonna do these. Dye the black trim around here. We're gonna dye all that black. We got the mirrors on, and cleaned up all the rubber pieces, dyed those black so they look fresh and new. We got new chrome bezels to go around the fog lights. We got those new. These the old ones. So plastic pieces in the door panels, got those re-dyed. Yeah, so just, y'all know it's always the little stuff that stands out. It's always the little stuff that makes a car look better. So all black piece, dyed fresh, all lights re-cleared to look new. So new tires, so like a brand new car. So all right, YouTube, see y'all tomorrow, man. And this thing should be all the way back together and going home. Man, I like the way that thing flipped right there. Damn, them tail lights look new. Oh yeah, I saw that.
There's something you can put on it to get rid of all the, like,
My boy finna boat up.
Like when I took my wheels in the review and all that, I want to do it like that.
yeah. I think he does.
Look, we can make a spot right here. that little section on there was
Y'all get gas station.
Oh yeah. They call me funny, okay. Hope not.
I'm finna say, man. I said, hope not.
Y'all gonna be hanging out at the gas station a whole lot. Don't worry, though. I'm keeping some gas cans in the trunk for y'all, though.
It's not bad though.
No, y'all, like y'all been blowed all the gas out.
Okay.
Before y'all get leave y'all. Man, we gotta stop that. I know y'all do.
Alright.
Just didn't look, though. Have 10 gas tanks already in the trunk for y'all. You too, Bill. Alright, this you better ease out.
Yeah, just to put the bars on it.
When you're here, be
I
hard.
know you ain't gonna need no gas.
Hard,
You gonna be running hot. I know you running.
Damn, Bills, you gonna be running hot?
You gonna be running hot.
That owl.
That Firebird gonna be ready, like Freddy. Gonna be spanking the streets, doing number donuts.
I know that motherfucker gonna stay running hot.